Good morning, my lovely children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. I am your Margi ma'am. Welcome to Junior KG. Children, in previous session, you learned copywriting and reading. So, today we will revise the topic of copywriting and reading. Children, today we will read one paragraph. So tell me children, what is a paragraph? Yes, paragraph means a group of sentences. It's called paragraph. So today we will read one paragraph.
Children, today we will read this paragraph. First we will read heading of it. M-O-B mob, mob. I-N, in. T-H-E, the. M-U-D, mud, mud. Mob in the mud. Now we will read first line. First letter should be capital and at the end of the sentence we have to put full stop. So let's start. M-O-B, mob, mob. I-S is a P-I-G, pig. Full stop. Full stop means sentence खत्म. Mob is a pig. मतलब कि pig का नाम क्या है? Mob. Now we will read second line. H-E, he. I-S is. I-N, in. T-H-E, the. M-U-D, mud. Full stop. He is in the mud. मतलब कि पिग कहाँ पे है? मड में. मड यानी कि कीचड़. Now we will read third line. H-E, he. I-S is. W-E-T, wet. Full stop. He is wet. मतलब कि पिग कैसा है? गीला. Now we will read last line. H-E, he. H-A-S, has. M-U-D, mud. O-N, on. H-I-S, his. L-E-G-S, legs. Then full stop. He has mud on his legs. मतलब कि पिग के लेग्स पे मड है.
Now we will do copywriting in our English 4-line notebook.
Children, today we will do copywriting. Here is today's date. 5.3.2121. Children, tell your mama to prepare a page like this in your English 4-line notebook. Here is a first sentence. Children, remember that you have to write the first letter of a sentence in capital and you have to put full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay? So let's start. First we will read this sentence. THE the JUG jug is RED red. Then we will put full stop. So now we will write first THE the T H E THE the. Then we will leave one finger space ऐसे. Then we will write J. Then U and G. Jug. Again leave one finger space. Is again one finger space. Then R E D red. Then we have to put full stop. मतलब कि सेंटेंस यहाँ पे खत्म हुआ. The jug is red. मतलब कि जग कैसा है? रेड कलर का. Again THE the one finger space. Then JUG jug. Again one finger space. Is again one finger space. RED red. Then full stop. The jug is red. Now we will move to the second sentence. First we will read it. Capital A MAN man. has. VAN van. Then full stop. Now we will copy it. First we will write capital A. Then leave one finger space. Then we will write MAN man. Again one finger space. Then we will write HAS. Has. Then again one finger space. Then small a. Again space. Then VAN. Van. Then we will put full stop. A man has a van. मतलब कि मैन के पास क्या है? when. Again we will write same sentence. Capital A, one finger space, then M A N, man. Again one finger space, H A S, has. Again one finger space, then small a. Again one finger space, V A N, when. Then full stop. A man has a van. Now we will take third sentence. First we will read it. Capital A, dog, dog. Is on, on. The log. Then full stop. Now we will copy it. First we will write capital A. Then leave one finger space. Then D O G, dog. Again one finger space, I S is. Again leave one finger space, then O N, on. Again one finger space, then T H E. THE क्या होता है बच्चों? Yes, THE, the. Then again one finger space and we will write L O G. Log. Then full stop. A dog is on the log. A dog is on the log. मतलब कि डॉग कहाँ पे है? लॉग के ऊपर. Again we will write capital A, leave one finger space, then D O G, dog. Is O N, on. One finger space, T H E, the. Again one finger space, L O G, log. Then full stop. A dog is on the log. बच्चों, आपको इस तरह से कॉपीराइटिंग का पूरा पेज लिखना है.
Children, I hope you learned how to read paragraph. So, take care and bye.